Hi, today we're cooking an amazing Indian classic, the Makhani Dal with cucumber salad. It is a recipe that will take you about 60 minutes to prepare from beginning to end, but the prep time is actually quite fast. It's just the cooking and the simmering that will take a bit longer, but it's worth the wait. We're keeping this recipe fully vegan, so we're adding some cashew cream cheese at the end, but you could just finish the dish with butter or any kind of cream you want, if that's not an issue for you. Also, if you're worried about spices, just go easy on the chili. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep. Thoroughly rinse the brown lentils. Peel and finely chop the onion. Finely chop the green chilli, then split the cardamom pods open with the back of a knife. Step 2. Fry onion. Heat a large non-stick pan over a medium heat with the coconut oil. Once hot, add the onion with a pinch of salt and fry for 7 to 8 minutes until softened. Once softened, add the garlic and ginger paste, green chili, cardamom pods, garam masala and smoked paprika. Fry for 2 minutes. Step 3. Simmer the dal. Add the lentils, a stock cube, the measured water, and tomato paste. Simmer covered for 45 to 60 minutes or until the lentils are softened and falling apart. Stir occasionally. Step 4. Cook rice. Meanwhile, add the basmati rice, salt and the measured water to a pan with a lid and bring to a boil over high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes or until the water is absorbed and the rice is cooked. Remove the pan from the heat and keep it covered until serving. Fluff with a fork just before serving. Step 5. Prepare the cucumber. So meanwhile, chop the cucumber, cherry tomatoes and coriander finely. Peel and chop the shallots. Juice the lemon into a bowl and add a drizzle of olive oil, the cucumbers, tomatoes, coriander and shallots. Season with salt and pepper and give everything a good mix. Step 6. Finish dal. Drain and rinse the kidney beans. Once the lentils are softened, add the kidney beans and the cashew cream cheese to the pan and simmer for 3 minutes further. Serve the dal over the rice with the cucumber salad to the side. Enjoy! So here is this beautiful dal makhani that we've just cooked, plated on some nice Indian tableware. I can't wait to try it. I've had a little sneak peek, so I know it's delicious. I really hope you'll enjoy this one. It takes slightly longer to cook than our recipes usually, but it's totally worth the wait and the prep time is fast, as you've seen. So it's just about simmering those lentils and getting all those flavors really to merge together. But I'm going to give it a try. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up, and then we'll see you next week. Bon appétit!